Jai Jinendra, my dear students. This is the tutorial video of how to submit descriptive answers of half-yearly examination. Your objective part is over. Now watch this video properly and get to know how to upload the answers which are subjective. Okay, so you will have to write the answers on a page and you have to click image, and then you have to convert the images into a single PDF file. How to convert image to PDF file, this video is also sent to your group. Okay, so now let us see how to get the questions of exam. So open BGB LMS app, then by clicking on my profile you have to log in with your admission ID and password, then click on exam. So you will find the exam is scheduled social science descriptive. Okay, so now you have to click on start exam. As you click on start exam, you will see the questions. So you have to write the answer on a page and mention your name, class, roll number and name of exam. Okay, so after this you can start writing your answers. As you finish the first question, then you have to click on next button so that you can see the another question. As it is a trial, you will get only 2 questions. Okay, so after finishing the answer part, you have to click image and you have to convert into PDF file. Okay, for all the answers, one PDF file, and you should watch the video how to convert image to PDF. Okay, so as you are done with your writing part and you have converted your images into PDF, then you have to click on upload answer. So as you click on upload answer, so one message will be there, are you sure? So if your PDF is ready, then click on OK button. Okay, as you click on OK button, so you will get the folder of your mobile. This is Explorer. So find out the PDF file and you need to click on the PDF file, and then there will be another message, are you sure? So you have to click on OK. After clicking OK, you have to wait for a while because it takes a bit time to upload the file. It depends on the file size, so don't go back instantly. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, and you will see that the network speed at the top of the screen, it is going up and going down. So uploading process is going on. As the uploading part is okay, then the network speed will be normal. So in this way you have to attempt descriptive or subjective question answer of half yearly exam. Thank you.